Link Whisper has two different ways that it can add links to your WordPress editor. This is under the Settings and Links mode. The first option is only available for those users with the Classic editor. So if you have the Classic editor installed, you would select this option to add links in the WordPress editor. In other words, on the back end, the links will be added where you can see them. Unfortunately, this is not compatible with visual editors like Thrive Architect and many others. So if you have a visual editor, you are required to make this other selection where it will only add links on the live articles. So not on the back end, not in the editor, but on your live articles, the links will show there. Again, this is required for visual editors just because of the way that Thrive Architect and other editors are designed. So you won't be able to see the links on the back end, but you will see the boxes checked next to the Link Whisper links that you've added. So if you have the Classic editor, you can select either of these, but if you have a visual editor, you'll want to select this second radio option.